Ramona Cruz Peters from Fab Everyday here, and I'm excited to be sharing 2 delicious and very festive and fun St. Patrick's Day treat ideas.
Let me show you an easy way to make shamrock-shaped cupcakes. Just start with your favorite cupcake recipe. Line a muffin tin with paper cupcake liners and fill the cups halfway with the batter. Create little cylinders out of aluminum foil. Push part of the cupcake paper liner inward and use a piece of the foil to keep it in position. Repeat in the spot across from the first indent, then add 2 more indents with foil so you have a shamrock-shaped cupcake. Repeat with the remaining cupcakes and then bake per recipe directions. Prepare some green frosting. Frost the cupcakes in a shamrock pattern, starting with a circle on the outside of each leaf and piping inward. Easy, fun, and festive. 4 words: mint, swirl, shamrock brownies. These festive brownies are topped with a minty cheesecake swirl and shaped as shamrocks. It uses my foolproof classic brownies recipe as a base, so you know it's good. Visit fabeveryday.com to get the full recipe, but these are perfect as a kid-friendly St. Patrick's Day food idea, an easy St. Patty's Day party treat, or as a yummy dessert idea for you to serve on the holiday. After preparing the brownie batter and adding to a baking pan, create the cream cheese swirl topping with mint extract and green food coloring. Add dollops to the top of the brownie batter, then use a knife to create the marbled swirl effect on top. After baking, cut the brownies into shamrock shapes with a cookie cutter. These are a delicious minty chocolate treat.
You can get the detailed recipes and instructions on fabeveryday.com, and be sure to follow Fab Everyday on social media for lots more holiday and entertaining inspiration like this.